Hey guys, I hope you all are doing super well, and today I'll be showing you how to do this natural makeup tutorial. I'm not a makeup expert, but this is what I usually do every morning. It takes me about 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, let's get started. So here's me with my bare face, ready to do some skincare. I like to start out with this gel that the dermatologist gave me that has Clindamycin in it, which is an antibiotic, and benzoyl peroxide, and it just helps with acne. Then I go in with my moisturizer from Simple because I have sensitive skin that is somehow oily and dry at the same time, but I found that this moisturizer just helps a lot and preps my skin for makeup. So I like to use BB cushions because they generally look more natural and let my freckles show through. This one is Moonshot in the shade 201. So I just go in and put that all over my face. What I like about this one, especially for summer, is not only does it look really natural, but it also has sunscreen in it. So I believe this one has SPF 50 and PA+++, whatever that means. But the more pluses, the better, I guess. So I just put that everywhere on my face. Me trying to wink. Okay. Then I go in with some concealer if I have any little spots here and there that I want to cover. I really like using NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Vanilla. Then I go in and use a translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier. And this just helps set my makeup in place and prevents me from looking too oily, even though halfway through the day I probably will look oily. Then I go in and use this brow pencil from number 7 called Beautiful Eyebrow, and I just go in and fill in the outer half of my brows. People say they aren't twins but sisters, but mine are more like next door neighbors. So then I use this clear brow gel to set it in place. Then I go in and tight line my eyes with this waterproof eyeliner from Maybelline, and then I had to do it off camera because I couldn't do it on camera. Then I go in with a makeup wipe and wipe away any excess makeup that somehow got on my lips during all of this. Next, I'm going to go in and curl my lashes. This always looks really scary, but it doesn't hurt. Then I go in with mascara. I like to use this is CoverGirl's Lash Blast Mascara, and I believe this color is called Very Black, and it is waterproof because, like I said, I'm an oily girl, so we definitely need that waterproof mascara. This is also super hard to do on camera. There we go, all done. Next, we are going to contour my nose with the same pencil that I used to do my brows. I just like to go in and kind of sculpt the sides and the little point, and then I go in with some highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter from Wet n Wild in Blossom Glow. It's just a really pretty whitish pink color that goes well with my skin tone, and I put it in my inner corners and on my nose and Cupid's bow. Then I go in with some cloud paint in the color Haze from Glossier, and I just put that on my cheeks and awkwardly smile like this to make sure I put it in the right place. Just blend that out. And finally, I go in with some coconut mango lip balm from Smith's. And this also tastes super good. I mean, don't eat it, but this is the finished look. Super natural, easy to do, quick. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all of the products will be down in the description, as well as my Instagram and other social media in case you guys want to follow me. I hope you all are doing really well, and stay safe.